because that went. So I'm.
Yeah,
this
I know.
is already a make. I'm already good.
Did you make it?
Yeah.
He's actually.
Yo, dude, let's do this smile.
Yeah, this is the Asian lady. Like I said, this is like a big enough grip for the other. You know, some of these little just like.
Alright, get our shoes on. Crack that out. Actually pretty high.
Give some grade 8 commentary to go on. No, it's that one. Can't see because of the glare. So earlier Joe said he was going to flash it.
Flash.
Fuck me.
Yeah, there you go.
God damn it.
Nice.
Wet slab. Wet slab. Scary slab. Dude. Here we go.
Nice.
Yo, 6 end.
Oh. A few extra tries than I thought it would take. But it went.
Is that 2 tries? 3 tries?
3 tries.
3 tries. Not bad.
Nice. Oh, that was close.
Nice. He's safe.
Nice, dude.
Yeah. Good send. Oh, you have my other shoe.
Yeah.
1, 2. High five.
Great.
There you go. Come on.
Nice. Come on.
There you go. Go. Nice. Leave a few good right there. I'm on your way, am I?
No.
Nice.
Flash.
Flash.
Send
Solid.
train going on.
So this is Mo's first time outdoor bouldering. He's gone climbing about what, like two times in the gym?
Yeah, 2 times.
2 times? And Alex brought some spare shoes for him, so thanks, Alex. Doot, 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 doot. Boop, 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 boop. Nice, Mo. Press down the top.
Yep.
Yeah, there you go.
Nice.
There you go.
Yep.
Whatever you do, don't get a boner.
Nice. Nice job. There you go. Come on, finish it
Yeah.
up. Nice.
Woo!
Send train?
So today we're gonna film a tutorial on how to power scream, but it's different if you have a lisp, because if you have a lisp, you don't want to go like Chris Pharma and scream like fuck, because you'll bite your tongue off.
Right.
So,
Yeah.
I'll show you the proper way. As soon as I put my shoes on. Sit in that shot. It's like awkward moment. Like, transition.
We're out in the wild.
Please send food, send help.
It's so cold. Our feet are basically about to snap off, but it's worth it. Do it for the vine.
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog.
Okay.
All right.
I should take my jacket off.
Your jacket?
The key to climbing hard is getting chalk everywhere. You want it as much coverage as possible. And it's not about volume, it's about square surface area. So.
Put that chalk on my butt.
For real? This is why you put chalk everywhere. You don't need a chalk bag, you just...
Oh yeah?
I was watching everyone else climb this and it looked really easy. But this is pretty scary. That was gnarly.
You haven't finished it yet.
Yeah, you haven't really topped out.
Yeah, you are.
Kind of still on the climb.
Have I topped out yet?
Yeah, I guess you can say you did.
Jump on the key and just slide down. Okay, move out of the way.
Sophie doesn't know.
Wait, what's
that? We got her a card for her birthday. She has no clue. So we're gonna give it to her now. Come with us.
Hey, Soph! We got you a card for your birthday.
Oh, thanks, guys.
And we got you dessert.
Oh,
And an appropriately sized chalk bag. And a new hat.
oh, okay, thank you. Hold on.
Oh, it matches your outfit perfectly.
You know, obviously my hands are tiny, right? So I can just, you know, it's perfectly sized.
Adequate.
When I'm climbing, I can just, you know, chalk up, you know? Perfect.
God damn it, Aaron.
Thank you,
You gotta
guys.
open the card. You have to read
shit.
the card that you haven't read yet.
What does it say?
Happy first birthday, little girl.
Wait!
1 year ago.
Hold on, I'm gonna spot you.
Lights the camera.
1 year ago, a dream came true. A baby was born. A little girl. Oh my God. Okay, well, you. Oh. And that's why today is so special. Not because it was raining and because it was really cold out and everything hurts and most of our group left us. Because it's your birthday and now you are one. You know what? You're right, I'm one. I'm turning one.
I'm turning one. I'm one now.
Yeah, I'm one now.